I'm Alexander from René of Paris. I'm going to do a little bit of styling with you guys today, and I wanted to work with this wig. This is Brooklyn. Now Brooklyn is in the Alexander Couture Collection. This one is in silver brown MR. Now this one has come out of my kit, and she was actually pre-styled this today. So I've actually taken her out of her original style, and I thought I'd do something interesting. So what I was doing, I was talking to the team here, and I was saying, right, let's go through all of the comments that you guys leave, and let's find something cool that somebody wants to see. Anyway, something came up. Ancient Greece, ancient Rome. Wow, that's like music to my ears, okay? Because I love history, all right, and I love fashion, love hair, and all the rest of it. But, you know, the beauty of ancient Greece and ancient Rome is you watch a video now, watch a movie, say Gladiator, okay? And all of the girls and all of the ladies, they all look amazing. They all look beautiful, the hair looks great, but what's really important, the hair doesn't actually look out of fashion. It's timeless. So we're going through like some of these ancient Rome, we could even be saying BC, we could be saying over 2,000-year-old hairstyles that still look amazing today. So that is why I was very excited about doing this one today. I'm going to show you something that's easy. I'm all about nice, beautiful hair, but you know, at the end of the day, right, I'm educating for you wig wearers at home. I'm showing you wig wearers at home. I want you to be able to go and wear these styles and find them easy enough to do. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do something that you guys can achieve at home and looks great. So first off, I'm just putting a strong band in here, okay? And I'm going to wrap that 3 times. So what we're after, look, is we're after that. Just a ponytail. Plain and simple, all right? Now, what we're going to do from here is we are going to take these and twist the hair into rope. See? Twist the hair into rope. Okay, and I've just put a gold pin in there, all right, so I can see it, because that's just a securing pin for now. Okay, now I want you to do the same everywhere. Okay, and what we're doing is we're building with this roped, wrapped texture. Okay. Okay, and then again, just put in a holding pin in there for now. And we're going to continue the twisting along. look, you can even with that, see how that kind of comes it back up on itself, these little, see? Okay, so this is the first parts of the Grecian style, okay? This is what we should have. So a nice rope braid towards the back with the long sides out. Right, then what we're gonna do is everything is about this texture, this roped texture, all right? And if you were to look at old statues of women and their hairstyles, there's a lot of this texture just like this. A lot of braids, a lot of rope braids, a lot of wraps, and even, you know, in the old Grecian dresses, think about like a Grecian dress, there's a lot of, you know, breasted dresses that wrap over one another, like double-breasted wraps and stuff, and a lot is similar with the hair. The hair is very similar to how that the ladies used to wrap their clothes, you know, going over a lot of rope stuff. So I'm very much following those kind of traditions, if you like. I'm following those kind of shapes and designs, and you can work with me. Look, see how I'm doing this? See how I'm doing this over this side? So essentially, that these rope braids become like really like kind of the main focal point of the hairstyle. Let me show you how this is coming together. Look at that. Now bang, look at that for detail, that for design. Look at all of that coming in. Looks amazing, right? Okay, so, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue that technique of wrapping, twisting and building into the back. All good things have to come to an end, including my ancient Roman Brooklyn. And here she goes. Just put that holding pin in there. And final twisty piece. So then what I'm going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is just turn her over to the front, and then we have a look and we see, are we happy with how that looks at the front? Personally, I'm not, okay? And the reason being is because I just need one side to be a bit sleeker like this. And possibly, ladies and gents, let's have a look at this. Maybe off the face, do we think? Do we? Yes, slightly. Slightly. Okay, just slightly. You know, and now we've got, looks amazing from the front. Love that kind of cleanness, I think, from the front is what I really like. She looks fantastic. So here she is, ladies and gentlemen. This is Grecian, ancient Roman Brooklyn. And there she is, look. Lots of detail, twist into there, into a twisted roped chignon. Coming in, ton of detail, ton of interest. You know, look at the old pictures, look at the old designs, look at a lot of the old books from ancient Rome, ancient Greece. You see a lot of this kind of design work. Even in the statues, you can see, even in the statuettes, how amazing some hair looks. You know, even like the details in it looks fantastic. I really enjoyed doing this today, guys. I enjoy doing a bit of history, enjoy doing something with fashion. Tell me what you think, leave some comments below. We'd love to hear your comments. I'm Alexander, this is René of Paris, this was Brooklyn. Thanks for tuning in, goodbye.